Hello everyone.
Madi and Madison from Spectrum Art.
It's Maddie and Madison from Spectrum Art, and today we've got popcorn bags to share with you. We've actually tried to find some inspiration both on YouTube and on Pinterest for some ideas on what to do with these popcorn bags, and unfortunately, no luck. Yeah, no, we couldn't find anything. So, you know what? We decided, yes, we will do it ourselves. We will make a video and share it with you guys and hopefully bring you some inspiration. These are just regular popcorn bags. We actually got a box of these. Yeah, at a big box store. And so we've been playing with them to see what we could do because we just love the material. It's a really crinkly, hear it? Delicious paper. And yeah, it sounds like crinkling old paper. And it's got a really nice texture. They're not too thick, so they're perfect for putting inside journals or using some tags. And then of course for, giving away to friends as well. So we decided to go to work and see what we could do. Someone did mention to me that they believe that they saw, I'm not sure if it's the same size or quality or anything like that, but they believe they saw some popcorn bags at the dollar store. So you might want to try that as well. Not sure how many come in a pack, but it's just a really fun way of doing these. So, and I know that during our D-Stash that we had last week, quite a few of our friends and folks that showed up to the D-Stash actually purchased popcorn bags. So we figured we'd share some ideas with you guys on what you can do with them, right? And please, when you get them and you guys start creating, would you share with us what it is that you've created? Because we'd love to also make some more, right? And
I will comment on your stuff too.
Right, exactly. So let me go ahead and show you what we've made. I'll move them to the side first and then I'll bring them back in and show you. By the way, the reason why I have 5 popcorn bags here is because that is what we used. So I'll show you. The first popcorn bag that we use is this. This is one popcorn bag that has been folded over, and we've made a little, it's like a mini traveler's journal. But it's so cute because it's just, it's a mini one. And so this opens up this way, and you see the first flap of the popcorn bag right here. So you've got a really nice pocket in there. Then we've added a little bit of the second part of the bag. You can see that it's folded over in half. And this is the top side of the popcorn bag. So what we did was we opened up, there's an opening in the top, and then when we folded it over, obviously there's that piece, and these really, at least this kind opens up pretty easily without tearing. And so that's the second opening, which created another nice sized pocket. Then we went ahead and added some paper for a signature, which was sewn in as well as washi and glued down, because washi does lose its glue, the adhesiveness, so we glued it down and then we stitched it in. So it's got some tea-dyed papers in there, and then it's got the back side, and then there's another pocket. Of course I should have put something in there so you guys can see it, but there is another pocket right here. There we go. I just did my nails, so they're still kind of tacky. So there's another pocket in there as well. Okay, so you ended up with 3 pockets and all these journaling pages on top of, a little signature. And then it closes back up. But that is just one popcorn bag. So there's number 1. We'll move that to that side. Then we took another popcorn bag and we cut it in half. Simply cut it straight down the middle. And we created 2 medium-sized pockets from that. Okay, so you've got this one, and this one's got multiple pockets. It's got one here. It's got, I'm sorry, I apologize. This is one popcorn bag, not that one. This is just one folded over, which is what created all the different pockets. And this is the Graphics 45 collection, which I think it's Gilded Lily. I don't remember.
You're right.
You've got your pockets there. You've got a pocket here. We had made one just like this previously, a nice big journaling card there as well. And we actually gave it away as a giveaway during the auction. So I made another one just to show you guys what it looks like. But you've got your pocket here. You've got a pocket here, which I just showed you, right? Then another pocket here. So that's 1, 2, 3. One here in between. 4, 5 pockets from one popcorn bag plus this one provided us with another one, so that's 6. And of course, if you glued it on 3 sides, then you would have one back here as well. So tons of pockets from just one popcorn bag. So that's that one. I'll put these back later. Okay, this was the one that we cut in half, okay? So this is one popcorn bag that we've cut in half. So if you take your popcorn bag, this is your bottom half, and this was the top half, see? And so we went ahead and cut it straight down the middle, making 2 medium-sized pockets. And they're really generous pockets. They're really nice. And all we did was we use a punch on that one to create, you know, some kind of a edge. You can use a scissors. You might be even able to tear it and create a really nice, you know, rugged edge. There's one. And here's the bottom half. And again, that big pocket back there. And I love that crinkle. That paper is so yummy. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3 popcorn bags. Then we went ahead and let me scooch these over this way. And we made 2 other ones, again, from cutting one of these in half. But this was cut in half long ways, and I'm going to show you. The first thing we have is really, really cute. I thought I added some paper just to reinforce the back because I want to glue this into a journal. That's the idea. So once you glue this onto your journal, you'll go ahead and open it this way. This is a tuck spot. Then it opens up again. It creates 1, 2 more tuck spots. Then oh, I'm sorry, I should have said not only a tuck spot, but a pocket, okay? Then this is a tuck spot and another pocket. Then this is a tuck spot and another pocket. I'm sorry, that's not a pocket. I'll show you why. This is a tuck spot and a pocket. This is a tuck spot and a pocket. This is a tuck spot and a pocket, and this one as well. So it just kind of opens up this way, and as you go along, you reveal, or they would be great for mounting just pictures, right? Then when you're done filling all those pockets and, you know, stashing all your little pictures on here, you know, say this is your photograph, you put it on there, right? Then when you are done, and this is again glued to your journal is my idea. It doesn't have to be, but you know, that's where I envisioned it. Then it opens up this way, and you have all of this room for journaling. So at first I thought I was gonna leave it blank, but then I grabbed a piece of some of my tea dyed paper. Look at that, isn't that yummy? Madison and I have been like loving tea dyeing. Tried coffee, didn't like it. It just smells, and I love coffee, by the way. You all know me. We love drinking coffee, but did not like the smell on the paper. I'm sorry, it just smells like tobacco or something. It's gross. But tea is beautiful, and depending on how strong you do it, you can see that I get really cool effects. Madison loves splattering this stuff around, and look at it. It just creates beautiful. But anyway.
You know what it looks like?
What?
It looks like beautiful flower art.
It does. It looks like beautiful art, just yumminess. So I think we might glue this down. Haven't decided yet to finish it off. But again, you don't have to. That's just great journaling space. And look, it's pretty generous. But then when you put it in your books, in your journals, this is all the room it's going to take, guys. Just this little, like, you know, I don't even know, 2x2 area. And so this was the 1/2. So now you see what I meant when I said I cut it long ways. This is 1/2 that was cut long ways. See it? Now the other half of that is this. And this one actually made a really cute little pocket again. And so we've got all of these pockets in here. Well, this is a tuck spot in the front. But then we've got all these cute pockets. Now, I will tell you a secret. We went ahead and created 1, 2, 3, if you glue it on all 3 sides, 4, plus a tuck spot out of just this little square. But really, you could have had a lot more, because what I did was I accidentally glued these right here. This actually could have been another pocket between the cardstock decorative paper and the white bag. It was actually open, and I had designed it to do it that way, but I got busy talking and not really thinking, and I glued them all down. So again, you know, but this makes it really sturdy pockets. The other way, of course, oopsie, the other way would be a little bit like flimsier like this. So, you know, you just have to be a little careful not to rip them. But there you have the other half of this. So this was another bag. So 1, 2, 3, 4 so far. And then I'll bring over the 5th one. This is the 5th popcorn bag that we went ahead and did. It is a journal, it's a book, and it's pretty generous size because again the bags are pretty big, and you'll see when I open this up this way that it's actually the bag. You see it? Except the bottom once again has been opened, and I'll show you why. So in the front you've got some beautiful paper and then some lace back here and a flower, and I had actually started this during one of our lives, and Madison had helped to make, she made all the papers and all that stuff, and that's actually on the live. And she made all these papers here too for the tags, these right here. And so in the front you have a pocket, and that flap is what actually makes that pocket, right? And then this other flap, which was the bottom, makes, and again, if you guys want to see a tutorial on any of these, just let us know. But in the back you got a really nice big generous pocket as well, and again with that gorgeous paper that Madison made. And we use that Tim Holtz die, the big tag. I'll try and link it below if I remember. Sometimes I forget to link stuff below, so if I don't, yeah, what's a Sizzix? Tim Holtz, no, Tim Holtz, yeah. If any of you want to see it, just remind me and just comment and I'll link it below, because sometimes I do forget, or I'm not really sure if you guys even want to see it. So then again, see, this is our bag. There it is, with the bottom opened up. And then we go on the inside, and you've got a nice big pocket here in the front. You've got, oh, I'm gonna put this down. You've got a pocket here with some gorgeous paper and some tags with ribbon, with lace and whatnot. I did reinforce every single page with glue and washi just to make sure that it's a nice strong book, nothing flimsy about it. A side tuck in there, believe in yourself. Then you've got this gorgeous dress form right there, fearless. This is also another tag with a tuck, and then a really pretty double-sided tag on there that Madison created. We've got some nice journaling space, some butterflies. Another side tuck here with those beautiful scissors. I love those. I want those for real, but they're super expensive. Then another one here, and then this awesome journaling tag, as well as this one. And again, once you remove those, of course, you have all your journaling room in there. Some more journal. There's a tea dye paper we made. Isn't that cool? Can you guys see that?
So cool.
Little dots on there. Then here you've got this side tuck with some more journaling goodies. Here we've got another one. Got this one, fear. And then this one's got a little pocket in there, so we went ahead and put that in there. And then we've got these really pretty birds. See the embossing, and a lot of gold foil too with these papers. Then we've got the center spread and some more tags with a pocket in there. Then, and make sure I'm in frame, yeah. Then we've got this one as well, and this one says you and me. I love the purples and the blues in this collection, I guess, collection that Madison and I just kind of randomly put together. I don't even think it was all from the same source. Well, you've got this one, which is a tuck, right? And then you've got this really cute tag, and this is also a top tuck, so is this, and this has got lace on the bottom. Got two more here. Isn't that cool? That reminds me of Danielle's cats. So pretty. Okay, and then, and Danielle is the pink zebra unicorn crafter. She has a great channel, but you have to go check out her cats. They're awesome. And then here's some more. No, this one says
pink Danielle pink unicorn crafter.
It's the pink zebra
No.
unicorn crafter.
No.
I'm pretty sure.
Danielle pink unicorn crafter.
Is it?
Danielle pink unicorn crafter.
Okay. You will forever be my always. Aw, how romantic is that? And then a beautiful butterfly there. Then there's another tag in here, listen to your heart, and that's a nice long one. I love how the top is done. And then that flips. All of this from a popcorn bag. Isn't that amazing, guys? Here's another nice two tags in there. in a nice pocket. Here's some more of that gold foil. And then of course the back, we have another one of those really big double-sided tags with a tab, and that back pocket, which I'd already shown you. So, and then of course, originally I was gonna go ahead and do a ribbon, kind of like this one, and I got busy creating, and once again totally forgot that that was the design that we had planned, and so I ended up just putting an elastic band with a little buckle on it, which is so cute. So it worked out. It's nice and chocolate brown. So there you go, guys. 5 different things to actually do with your popcorn bags. So, and by the way, if anybody's interested, let us know, because we do still have popcorn bags available, and we're actually planning on doing another one of the D-stashes, but it's going to be something fun because we're going to do something different again. So make sure you keep your ears open and your eyes open. Keep watching, because we're going to go ahead and share more information on that as we move along. But again, hopefully this is giving you some inspiration, and you can go ahead and get yourself some popcorn bags and get to creating. We hope that you do. We hope that you'll give it a try. Remember, everyone can craft. Everyone can do this. We all have our own takes that we like to do on things, so we'd love to see what yours may be, right? Yeah. We will talk to you guys later. Have a blessed day. Bye.